What's up? What's up? What's up? This is Jaden Wonder. How y'all doing? How you doing? Oof. Let me tell you, I fell asleep and like woke up very groggy, like really tired. Really need to really work that out somehow. But anyways, I'm up, and I'm actually going to do something I usually don't stream, which is do 3D modeling, and not in the software y'all usually used to. Well, for me, especially for me. Hold on a second. My little avatar is nice here. Hold on a second. Okay, so basically while trying to do the gym, I'm also trying to work on a game that I'm working with another team. And so far it was kind of a bit hectic. I was able to get what I need to get fixed, sort of. But at the moment, it's still kind of up in the air. Here I am. Hi, how you doing? What up? Like, I've been doing the same thing I've been doing for like HoloJam. Not the HoloJam project, where it's basically a grid-based game. But with this one, it was trying to figure out how to get the mouse cursor to hover over the tiles and stuff. This one, which is a bit difficult before. But right now I'm not doing any more tile stuff. I'm just making the basic straight up game jam. So this is so the software I'm using right now. This is called Houdini. It is a procedurally modeling. It's a node-based modeling software. In a basic term, where it allows me to model, it allows me to do some effects, it allows me to do some crazy things that I never expected to do. And I like it. I like this software, and I want to do more of it in the future. Matter of fact, I have something planned later on after this jam, next on March. By the way, if you don't know, I'm planning on making a game every month within a week. So the first month, January, I participated in a game jam for the Pirate game jam, and I made a game for that one. This month, I'm trying to complete this game jam for this game. Back January, I did with 5 people. Today, I'm doing this jam. I'm doing it alone, and so far, I definitely like it doing it alone sometimes. But even though I like doing it, I want to try to spread myself a bit more into having people that either know how to make a game or don't know how to make a game, and just try to go for that route, because I think that part might be a bit more fun, and people with no knowledge will be a bit more funner to work with, maybe. I don't know. I have to figure out how that's going to work. Enough of that. Let me tell you what I've been doing. So basically, I'm just trying to make an enemy slime. Sort of a slime, but in HoloJam, there's this lore where they have like what they call the I forgot their name. Beasts, corruption beasts, and basically there's kind of like the antagonist enemies of the game. They're not. No, I think of the lore, not the game. So far, this game will have that will have that these beats, and so far, I kind of completed it. So what happens? Like I made a slime like enemy by just making a bunch of spears. Y'all won't be able to see it because the spears is that small. Yeah, there we go. And they were this size. So far, this is what the spear will look like, and this is what those cover up with. I made a bunch of spears to make like the base height of what this slime would be, and I made another one with another ball spears with just the base floor of the slime. Have it merged, then clip the bottom of it because I don't want because I want to make sure the slime are what kind of slime are clipped. After that, I went with the VDDs from polygons, smoothed it out a little bit so it looks a little more slimish, and then convert it back to polygons, remesh. Reduce the polygon because who doesn't like reduce polygon? Did some add some normals to it and give it some UVs. If I can turn the UVs on, you able to see the UVs right now. Ooh. Okay, here's the thing. I didn't realize I can actually change colors of the UVs. And I can turn this on and off when I want to. This is just straight up basic. I didn't think anything of it, and went with that. And I knew the enemies had skulls on them, and there's like multiple skulls on them. So actually, I enlarged it because I need to scale these mesh to the correct size for Unreal standards. Then add some skulls to it. They're not perfect skulls. I'm pretty much gonna probably come back to later on, but I just need something on it so I can work with. Then once that's done, I made an output for it. Merged all of them into a what we call it, subnetwork. I think that's what it's called, subnetwork. And made a geometry from it. Right now, I'm trying to rig it to make a skeletal mesh, and at the moment, this might take an hour or so. But at the moment, I'm trying to figure out what's the issue of it not exporting, and I want to try and get that out there as soon as possible. And hello, my UV might be fleshed out. Now I'm looking at it. Man, I'm not probably not gonna worry about it too much. It's gonna be a black color. So I'm not gonna scream and shout and anything like that because it's gonna look bad. It might. I'm not sure. Although now I think about it, I do want to give those things a color. Maybe I'll work with it. But yeah, that's kind of basically it, and that's what I'm trying to do right now. So let me go keep my thoughts ahead and see if I can figure this out. Oh, right now I try to push this out, but the problem I'm having is failed to export skin geometry. Let me do this. Okay. It needs a rest geometry and a capture pose. The capture pose is right here, I think. This should be the right one. So Does this need a name? Do I need to name this thing? I have been following tutorials on how to get it skinned and all that kind of stuff. Okay, just want to make sure. So far, no, I have created a mesh. That's already done. We already have a skeleton to work with. I mean, we should have a skeleton to work with. It's like this is the one right here. That should put. Okay, had a skeleton. Hey, yeah. Alright, fresh. Had a skeleton. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna reopen it. There we go. I haven't really changed anything about it, so this should be okay. Okay. Reason why it's taking a little bit longer because if you're looking at the bottom left, it is doing some things. Now it's done. Move myself back here. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we should have that going. Then here. You want the render only framed, which is this 0, 0. Let me try to do this one more time, just so I can see the error once more. Helping weights, geobone. Okay. Cannot create node with empty name or premise. Okay. usually in game jams. I usually stream like every day, every week, for the week. I'm still probably gonna try doing that every each time. I'm probably not gonna do that every time. That's usually my go-to if I whenever there's a game jam that's happening. Um. Okay. I don't think I need a rig dock. Okay. I always find it weird when I like select the capture. Is that the that's the right one though? Harmonic. That's for the mesh here. And the other one is the capture pose. That should be this. I'm reading. I'm actually even looking at the. I'm not even sure if this is the right one. All right. Okay. All right. Usually my method is when I have no idea, reach out to ChatGPT for questions. It's not the best source, but I've been using ChatGPT to get some questions going. Error saying cannot create node with empty name. Primitive. Cannot create node. that, and how do I fix it? Warning. No bone capture point attribute on skin geometry. That's why I use this. Fail to export skin geometry. Read what Deputy told me. Error message cannot create no for empty primitives and Houdini specifically when working with a ROP FBX character node. Typically indicates the operation you're trying to perform cannot execute because the node is trying to process a reference a geometric primitive such as polygons, nerve, surface, or that is empty. It does not contain any geometry data. Okay, so going from all this to here, it did not doesn't contain geometry data. Okay, I don't get it. I mean, I get it, but it's like I'm trying to get the good, better understanding of what that means, or what I like, what I did not like. Let's see. Current spent unit group. These are correct. Okay, it looks like I don't think I'm missing anything here. Not what I'm looking for. I'm sorry, I'm like, I have the video on another screen. It's not, I'm not showing it to y'all, but it's not like it's like having a real hard time understanding my particular issue. Okay. Where can I name my primitive attribute? Wait a second. I think just possibly I'm being dumb. I feel like I'm being dumb. Like, I feel like I'm being real dumb. Primitive attribute. Names. Wait a second. What's this? Name. String. We go to geometry. Then we go to. I mean, is it like this? Like, here's a name here for all of them. It says failed name primitive. Wait, what's it again? Primitive 19. Or it could be any of these things right now. I don't think that's what I'm looking for here either. Each time I change these things, because it had to take its time, because the what's it called? The skinning has to go through all this stuff constant. Okay. Delete that. What I'm going to do instead, I'm gonna go clean. one's going to remove attributes. Set UV. There should be. I can check this out of what it has. Clean it. It's clean all of it. We don't want the UVs removed. We don't want normals removed. From there, it should be the names and all that kind of should be cleared, and I should probably get a better idea on. It's probably gonna tell me the person's names as well. I think we should still have the UVs. Yep, it's there. Both name and path permanent attributes are missing. Okay. Name. Current UV set. Try again. Save. It looks like it's working. I say it looks like it's working because I just clicked save the disk. If it's working, I got. It turns out there might be some. Yeah, here we go. It worked. So it looks like there was some weird, funky stuff happening within my within here, and all I have to do is make sure the UV and normal UV and names are in there. UV is very important. UV is pretty much going to be very important, and I just need to make sure the names are also there as well, without anything funky happening. So real quick, let me actually go find my. Let me actually go find it. This is gonna be under. I think I know where this is. Somewhere here. I have no idea why I placed that thing in there, but we're getting somewhere. Bin. SKM. Alright. Yes, we got the skeleton mesh in here. Let me actually open up my my launcher, get my Game Jam project in here, and we're going. What? Why call it Shiny Spice? No. I mean that's the name. Shiny Spice is the name, but I don't think I want to use Shiny Spicy just yet. I have another one called Math Exercise Project, and that's just there for to do some math stuff, some mathematical stuff. Okay. Now let me go back here and we can actually go into here, name the folder enemy. I guess I'll make it plural. Enemies. Let me drag this bad boy in here and pray to the God that everything works, all working properly. Okay, we got skeleton mesh. It has skeletal stuff, and I should. Yep, I see it. I also see there's no texture to it. That's fine. It's also one big texture. Let's see. Let's make material. And this material, let's convert this to color for the moment. Out. We don't want anything rough. Okay, nothing specular. Nothing too shiny. There we go. Just plain black. Matter of fact, we want unlit. There we go. Fly. Let's see if I'm seeing right, everything should be black. Yes. Just like that. Ooh, wait a second. Oh my god, it's large. Ooh. Okay. It became way bigger than I thought. But yeah, it did. But definitely did the thing. Now, probably did the thing too well. Now I just need a question about the UV part for the. I mean, there should be UVs for it. Let's see. Name deer skin buffer. And there is a material path. Shop material path. Okay. Current UV set. Okay. Here's what I need. Here's what I'm gonna need to do. I'm gonna need to go here. I'm pretty much gonna basically need that. And I just need to make sure that whoever was named gets through. So current UV set that needs to be named. TV export. And shop material path. I can do this and just, yes I can. Okay. Okay. It has all these named, I think. We export, okay. Then we go to the merge part. And it says a mismatch. Because this thing does not have, only has surfaces, but doesn't have the rest. Okay. Which is probably why this is actually not getting the current UV set, the XP, and the shop stuff. It's probably why some of these parts are kind of empty. Okay. It's also probably why that whenever I export save a thing to a new disk, it's probably what's crashing. Let me test that out real quick. Right now it's cooking. No, that's not the case. It was something else. And it was something. Wait, hold on a second. I got a warning. Missing FBX material name primitive attribute material export skip. Yeah. Yeah, that's okay. Actually. That'll probably be a thing I need to have. Either way, let me go back in here. Let me re-import. Okay, that didn't work. What I was hoping for it to do is to what I was hoping for it to do is actually just create an extra material slot, but that didn't happen. Okay. Okay, I can do the let's see. else I have? Who else I have? Unreal Material. Let's see, what if I type in Unreal? Let's see, we got Unreal Material, that's what it has. But I think this one is actually just for like, it's just for the attributes. So if I name something, it'll have a thing called attribute materials in it. I think, okay. That's not what I'm looking for. We do this. We'll have two different colors right now, and have it like have one color like grayish, and then merge these two, and they're going to have a color that's whitish. How am I doing this? Well, biggest reason I'm doing this is because I want to make sure I have got this idea clear. Okay. Could be about CL. Color is probably not gonna do anything special. It just gives them two different types of colors. But but this just helped me out to figure out what's going on here and how to fix this thing. All right, let me re-import you. Nada. because right now I'm trying to do is assign two different UV groups, so that I have a material for one of them and another material for another one. And right now it's like a bit of a headache. One thing I'll let you know, like this is like, not saying my first time actually doing Houdini, but like my first time actually just wait, quick material. What's that? Yep, it does this. Okay. Material name, and it will give me material override. Material name 2. So let's actually try this then. Copy material name. And I don't think I need material override, so maybe this should work. Also, if you like this stream, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so now right now it's cooking, it's thinking, it's outputting the mesh. Okay, everything seems to be working properly. No warnings. I will have to. We'll have to go back and just leave this. I just want to delete it. Re-import it. Let's see if it actually did the thing. It did not do the thing. Okay. But I have only one. Of course, I have one material. And I'll still have this one texture. Okay. That's also not it. Okay. Back, try again. One thing I think I'm kind of glad that I'm doing this because I have been very nervous about streaming Houdini for a while because one thing I know it is, well, I say it will be like it's kind of boring on doing note stuff, but if I'm doing some completely basic, something simple to follow through, maybe look at, I could probably get through with it. But I'm also a bit nervous because I kind of sure I ain't sure what's going to happen. Despite me being new to, I'm not saying new. Okay, not new, but completely a bit novice of this. Let me report the mesh one more time. Everything should be going properly, and if we still only get this one element. Okay. How to get more. Material slot. For Unreal. I mean, I have both of them already. Probably have the slime part UV'd, and the skulls are already UV already, so I don't need to UV them again. It did not. Let's try. Let me look at what's happening. Oh my god. And it's already been an hour. It has been an hour. And I've been pretty much been working on this. Everything takes. Yikes. Alright, try again. Right here. Hearing all of this. Get my for all. I got a feeling about this one. Oh, no, that feeling was misjudged. That feeling was misjudged. Okay. Oh my god, how do I do this? Oh my god, what the fuck? Okay. I know for damn sure that material has to be the one. Materials has to be the one. I feel like it has to be the one. I think. Maybe. Cool. That's what I'm looking for. Adding materials. Okay. You need to use a frame actually Unreal. Wait, really? I don't know. Do I really? Oh wait. relative path to the shader inside Unreal. I don't know if I really need that. Like, I don't know if I really need that at all. Because I get the name, yeah, the Unreal, the material here. I can pretty much add to them here. The issue I'm looking at here is like I need plus string to get the relative path, and for this one, I'm just making a skeletal mesh that will have that's the texture, and I'm just exporting that as a skeletal mesh. I mean, my Blender will probably, if I have two different materials and export those, I'll have two material slots for them. Okay. Plus, I'm not trying to make it HDA. I'm just making a mesh. Oh, this is gonna take me a while to figure all this out. Okay. Let me sleep on this right now. Now I'll come back to this off screen and figure that part out. This is starting to get handsy. I think right now all I want to do right now is make a simple animation. And I have no idea how to do animations for Houdini. But I do know how to export a mesh now, and that's actually all I care about that part. The next part is just exporting animations. Or actually creating animations and then exporting them. maybe if I can't figure out in here, I'll probably go ahead and animate this in Unreal. At least I know how to do that. Maybe, probably. I'm looking for. Looking on the second screen, trying to find trying to find any more animation stuff. I'm just like, here's what I'm doing. I'm looking for Google and looking for YouTube, and I'm just trying to pick the right video that maybe just has like a bone or uses bones to work with it. But I'm thinking like, okay, I can sit here do that all day, or I can just calibrate animation. I haven't done anything animating wise. Wait. Is this gonna work? What's this? It showed out the bones and like what the heck? Okay, not controls, but all right, let me try something else. just skimmed through a video and I was like, he's talking about character, expert character. He didn't talk about anything about animation. That'd be like the most useful thing that he could also done. Okay. Let's not get bent out of shape. Okay. Can I? Tried it. Maybe not there, but maybe here? Like, the only thing I have is one bone, and all I want to do with that bone is animate that bone. Let's see. Let's see. Nice. all I'm basically doing is trying to see if I can render that animation with this. I think I can. Let's see what happens. Do we have any animation? Yes, we do. Okay, so that kind of works. But I have questions about what I have imported. Animation. Is it possible I can name these animations? Do something else? Okay, so far I can change the rig pose in Houdini. I can animate it like this, and that will be completely fine. Okay, cool. All right. I think that'll be okay. Probably want to name probably would rather have these name. Repose. No, don't do that. Thank you. I will also need to. I would like to organize these things a bit more better and clean. Okay, what else? And also for the time being, if I get the time to do all of this, I'll actually also like to make sure that these things are. I think I am gonna have time because I'm pretty much gonna have a lot of time tomorrow and Sunday and all the way till the end of jam to get all these things taken care of. But yeah, okay. Really need to make okay. For the time being, let's make this default unlit. Let's make this default lit. do go over these for right now. All right, cool. Add keyframe, remove keyframe. Wait, that's mouse button. That's okay. Okay. If I think I can gain, at least I think I'm gain somewhere here. what I'm also trying to do right now is like the way I'm most familiar is I can be able to move keys around. But with this, I'm not. But with this, it doesn't feel like it's allowing me to move different keys poses at all. Oh wait, it worked. Okay. I just have to right click and to do the thing. Okay, cool. I have to hold shift and middle mouse button. Let's try again. Hold shift, no. Hold shift and left click mouse button. Then middle mouse button to drag the whole keys, or if I grab this, the number, I get to shift the key points to where I want them to be at, like this. Okay, cool. Let's try it now. Okay. Okay, I'm finally getting somewhere. I'm figuring out the keys for Houdini. Nothing stop me now. Shift left click. Shift middle mouse button to stretch the key. Okay. That'll work. What about this one? If I change it to I think it works. I guess it works. Maybe it works. We cancel that one next week. That's 140. There we go. No, I say 120. 120. Misspoke on that one. All right. Okay. All right, so I did this and it replaced the animation with this. Okay, good to know. Let's not do that. I'm gonna try to put the step name to /move to see if it actually does something. So far it didn't do anything. So that's one thing I need to watch out for. I can do this to this. These are. I think I did something with use clip info detail attribute. What the heck is that? No. Thank you. Bam, bam. What are you doing? Stop it. You don't need import mesh. We just want the animation. default gray for right now. I should be able to see what's happening. Okay, interesting. Missing clip info detail. Okay. What if I gotta change each frame each time? But yeah, okay. Wait a second. Oh. Okay. So far I'm learning a bit here, learning a bit there, and I'm pretty much getting through. I'm getting through this a lot. But I want to try to get through some of them off screen, because right now I'm pretty much I'm still trying to figure out a few more things, but I think I have an idea how to animate in Houdini now, at least in this sense. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream right here. This is pretty much another short one. Usually it's about 3 hours, but I really want to try to get this thing taken care of. I know after Jam, I want to continue using Houdini, and I want to learn how to do make make human meshes. I have done that way back when I was a student at college. I have done that. I haven't done that mostly. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll be back here tomorrow. This time, yeah, this time tomorrow. I will be here tomorrow, and I'll be streaming, doing something like this. All right, all right. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.